Hello everyone, my name is Kuldeep Singh Rathod and welcome in GetWala platform. As you guys know, whenever any important updates and informations are available, we will try to provide you as soon as possible on GetWala platform, so you guys are aware from each and every type of details related to your career. So guys, if we talk about today's important notifications, then BEL release Bharat Electronics Limited released their official recruitment for probationary engineer. BEL function under the Ministry of Defense, Government of India, and it's a Navratna category PSU, and they released their official recruitment for probationary engineer electronics with 200 posts and probationary engineer mechanical with 150 posts. The salary pocket is 40,000 to 1,40,000 with 3% annual increment, and the CTC is 13 lakh. The age limit is 25 year for general candidate, and rather than this salary, you will also receive lots of other allowances and benefits. So guys, if we talk about the qualification, then probationary engineer first post, you need a BE, BTech or BSc in electronics and communications, or probationary engineer is second, you need a BE, BTech or BSc degree in mechanical engineering discipline. Even the PWD students also have some vacancies, so they can also apply. So guys, if we talk about the number of vacancies category wise, for general 143 vacancies, EWS 35 vacancies, OBC NCL 94, SC 52, ST 26, or total 350 vacancies are available. So those students who want to apply, they can apply by visiting their official website. Even the final year students are also eligible, so final year students can also fill the application form, and the maximum age limit is 25 year for general, and if you belong to like SC ST category, then you will receive 5-year age reduction. For OBC NCL there are 3-year age reduction, PWD 10-year age reductions are available. So guys, they are going to recruit without gate, and you need to fight the different exam, and the palace of postings where your job locations are there, it also mentions. The last date of online application is 31st January 2025. Before these dates, you need to apply. The application fees is 1,000 plus GST, it means 1,180 for general, EWS, OBC NCL, and for SC ST PWD and ex-servicemen there is no application fees. If we talk about method of selections, then you need to go for written test, computer based test, where approximately 125 number of questions are there, and you need to solve in 125 number of questions in 120 minutes, 100 from technical side and 25 question from general side. After clearing these written test examinations, you need to go for interview. They will invite in the ratio of 1/5. The examinations expected date is in March month, so after gate examinations you have a this exam. The syllabus and everything will be similar to like core engineering, but when the PDFs are available related to syllabus, we will share in Kuldeep Sir _PW Telegram channel. You can join Kuldeep Sir _PW Telegram channel by searching on Telegram, where is these exam related students community are there. Lots of students are preparing to syllabus, PYQ or anything else useful things we will share in Kuldeep Sir _PW Telegram channel. If we talk about guys application part, then BEL shall not be responsible for candidate to submit their applications last minute rushing. That's why fill your applications form before the last date and as soon as possible. Rather than this, there are many other details are available, like how the shortlisted students and the other rules, like how you need to fill your applications form. So these all detail are available in this particular PDF. So last date is 31st. Before that, you need to apply as soon as possible. So guys, I'm going to share this PDF in Kuldeep Sir _PW Telegram channel, where you have a more look in this particular PDF, and then you can apply. Thank you so much. See you in another video. Till then, goodbye. Take care.